introduce something about myself. My name is Johnny. I'm 19 years old. I was born and grew up in Whatnot Farming. It was a very beautiful place, and it's famous for many delicious food as well as many unique beliefs. In my hometown, lots of people are farmers who are kind and hardworking. They are willing to help one another. I'm the second-year student at the University of Florence University, and my major is Germany. I chose Germany because of many reasons. First, I really want to go to Japan. Moreover, in the future, if I'm good at Germany, I can find a good job to help my family, and I think I will never change my study. About my family, there are 5 people in my family. My parents, my elder sister, my younger sister, and me. Everyone really gentle, and the person who I'm close to is my mother. She always teach me everything from simple to complex ones. Now, I'm studying far from my house, but I usually come back home at weekends. I love being with my parents because I think my family plays an important role in my life. Because every time I feel tired or bothered, my family is only motivation that helps me to be stronger and be more self-confident. My family is the first person who I think about every time I go far, and they are always willing to forgive me if I make mistakes. To me, nothing can replace my family. Continue, in my city, there are some popular hobbies, such as listening to music, play sports, or go shopping, and so on. But in my free time, I like reading books, especially science books. I read them twice a day, and whenever I read a book, I find it so comfortable and interesting. It helps me to become more patient and remember what useful information. I think everyone should have some hobbies because it will help him or her to entertain after working hard. In the future, I want to become a rich and happy woman. I want to be rich to help my family as well as my hometown, and I want to become a happy woman like my mother. I have many goals in my life, but I think if I can fulfill them, the most important thing I need is health, and I think health is also the most important thing in the life of a person. About me, I really hate persons who stay behind other people. I find myself a sociable and flexible girl. It's so easy for me to talk with another people. And the first time I meet